Right, look at this. Thought I'd bring you this a couple of weeks ago, not a couple of weeks ago, probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago. We managed to gain access to this place that's behind this massive security fence. Obviously the fence wasn't there when we got in, but it then got all over the news, or local news anyway. And there's the yes, it's Motorways pool. Now check this out for a security fence. Just check that out. There's the pool just behind it. Leisure centre down the bottom there. Oops. Try not to fall over. Now I'm all for exploring abandoned buildings, and I feel quite privileged that there's only a few of us that have got in here. Derelict Cheeseburger managed to get in just before they put all this fencing up. I mean, they have been putting up for a few weeks, but just check it out. I mean, I'm 5'9" and as you can see, the fence has got to be 7 foot. 7 foot high. I mean, it would have cost a few quid. Have a look at the track there, look. Yeah, like I said, it would have cost a few quid, and maybe that's down to us getting in, I don't know, you know, or maybe they would have done it anyway. But do you think they'd have spent all this money had it not been all over the news, or local news as I keep saying, in the paper, the radio, even the TV? And you've got no chance of getting in here, which is, you know, to the urban explorer a bit of a shame. But if I look through here, you've got these premises are protected dog patrol. As you can see up there, there's a dog, not a dog, there's a van, a dog unit written on the side of it. Now whether there's a dog in there or not, I don't know. I just thought I'd bring a quick update. I mean, if you want to see what it looks like inside, just check out, I'll put a couple of links in this video. A couple of links to I can't even see if there is a dog in there. I don't know if there is. Is there a dog in there? It's parked there with the doors wide open. See the pool just in the background, behind them trees. Excuse me. I mean, this is thick, proper, you know, you'd need a ladder to get over that. And again, this is the leisure centre. Have a quick look in there. Don't drop the camera because you'll never get it back. Well, you might do. Show you a quick look through there again. See if you can see the dog. There's 2 vans in there. There's bound to be a security guy somewhere in there. But there we go. They've now finished. Well, a smart ass. I'll keep you updated as much as I can on on the demolition when it starts. Another threat sign there, look. Exclusion zone, unauthorised people keep out. Not even asking you nicely to keep out, and that's the bit of it that's still open. But as you can see, the fence goes all the way up there and all the way down there. They've really gone to town on security here. Must have cost, well, like I said earlier, hate to think what it's cost them. But if they want to stop people getting in, especially kids getting injured and getting in, this is within lengths they have to go to, because and people will still try and get over this fence. Some people see it as a challenge, but there we go. There's an update on the security. Beefed up, well beefed up security at Moorways Pool and Leisure Centre. Just awaiting demolition now. Another sign